The robot ran out of power while escorting a prisoner back to jail. They crashed in a wasteland and a pack of beasts rushed at them. Prisoners in the control room saw what happened and immediately started betting on the fight. The assistant placed his wager on the robot. Just then, Warden called. He ordered the assistant to locate the robot. The assistant agreed on the surface, but secretly doubled down on his bet. Alice soon noticed the robot was missing too. The assistant had no choice but to explain, and she joined in as well. To keep Warden from finding out, they tricked him into covering the robot's duties. Warden refused at first, until Alice made an emotional plea. Out in the wild, the robot kept fighting the beasts, but its battery was nearly drained, and the beasts struck when they sensed weakness. As the bet looked lost, the assistant secretly ordered a satellite to fully recharge the robot. With full power restored, the robot counterattacked and quickly killed the beasts. Meanwhile, Warden began doing the robot's job, but was flagged as an intruder and beaten. Then he was sent to feed the animals at the zoo and pull weeds in the garden, but the weeds turned into man-eating plants. He had poured animal feed into the wrong place. At the same time, all the zoo animals died. He had given them herbicide instead of food. Next, he tried fixing an elevator but fell into the boiler room. All these failures crushed his confidence, but he quickly convinced himself again that to do the robot's job, he simply needed to pretend to be one. Of course, that didn't work. When he returned to the control panel, he was launched out of the station. At that moment, the prisoner and the robot were about to be eaten by a sea monster. Warden landed right on the monster, saving them by accident. But Warden now thought he had actually become a robot. He rushed to arrest the prisoner. The prisoners in the control room saw two robots on screen. They assumed the assistant was cheating, so they hung him up and beat him.